trenerske organizacije se predvsem trudimo pripeljati kvalitetne, kompetentne govornike, domače in tuje. Letos imamo izredno priložnost, da smo povabili Majka Barela, svetovnega strokovnjaka na področju poučevanja otrok do 10 let. Veseli nas, da je njegov pristop malce drugačen, predvsem se spušča v globino razumevanja, poznavanja, razmišljanja otrok, njihovega odnosa do igre.
So we have a lot of tennis knowledge in the world right now. There's a lot of information on biomechanics and a lot of information about the professional game. But most coaches every day teach kids in a club, and so for them it's really vital that they can have a better understanding about the kids that they're teaching, how those kids will learn the messages that they want to send them. And so for the next few days we're going to look at lessons, but we're also looking at the issues around competition for kids, because competition has become a very important area with kids tennis around the world. We still don't manage to keep as many kids in tennis as we would like, and some of the things that we need to change will be some of the things that we'll be discussing in the next couple of days.